In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a first name to your Klaviyo email, ensuring your communications feel more personalized and engaging. Personalizing emails not only enhances your relationship with your subscribers, but also improves overall engagement rates. So, let's dive into the process, step by step. First, you'll need to start on your Klaviyo dashboard. This is your main hub within Klaviyo, where you can manage all your campaigns, lists, and data analytics. From here, take a look at the left panel where you'll see several options. Click on Content. This will trigger a drop-down menu where you should select Templates. By doing this, you're directing Klaviyo to fetch all the pre-existing and new templates that you have or are going to create. Next, you need to initiate the creation of a new email template. To do this, move your cursor to the top right corner of your screen and click on Create. This action will transition you to the Email Template Editor screen, which is the creative space where you can design and customize your emails as much as you need. Now, you'll notice on the left-hand panel a selection of content blocks. Klaviyo offers a variety of these blocks, and for the purpose of adding a name, you'll want to utilize the Text block. Start by dragging and dropping this text block into your email. This built-in feature makes building your email quite intuitive and seamless. Once you've placed the text block in your email template, click on the text field itself. Doing so will reveal a toolbar at the top of the editor. This toolbar provides you with an array of editing options, and what we want here is personalization. Click on Personalization, and from there, select First Name. This option is crucial as it enables you to input the subscriber's first name dynamically into your emails. To ensure your email looks smooth, even if a subscriber's first name isn't available, you can set a default text. The default text acts as a fallback, maintaining the personal touch even when personalized data isn't available. After setting your preferences for personalization, the next step is to press Insert. At this point, you'll notice a piece of code appearing within double curly brackets. This code represents the first name field and the default text you've set. When the email is sent out, Klaviyo will replace this code with the actual first name of the recipient or the default text if no name is found. And just like that, you've mastered adding personalization to your Klaviyo emails. It's a small step that can make a big difference in how your audience perceives your communication. Thank you for following along, and happy emailing!